We're having a productive day today. As you can see, I have a big puffer on because it's freezing, and I also have like a giant piece of poop on the front of my windshield, like literally right in front of me, and it won't come off. So there's that. This person just red a red light. Happy Friday. My camera is also dying, so until I charge it I may need to hop on my phone. So excited to bring you guys along my day today. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new here. Heading right now to go shoot some content on this freaking cold day. I love fall and winter outfits. Cold is just, it's kind of brutal.
Pairing failed.
Back from a little Starbucks coffee shop work morning. I like to do that because for somebody who works now full-time for herself and as a full-time content creator, being home all the time is definitely gets like repetitive and it gets a lot, and I feel like it's good to just go out and do things. And it kind of reminds me of like being in school, and in a way like a lot of the content that I do, like when I have deadlines, it reminds me of like, okay, this is almost as if you like you have a homework assignment, you know. I like to get out and like do those type of things more often, especially I want to try to keep getting into like that routine. So I just got home and now I'm about to film a voiceover for a UGC video that I have to send in. So I have my Rode Wireless Go 2. I also just have my computer here so I can look at like the script that I'm going to be reading off of, and I'm going to just get some more work done. So I have to do this UGC video. I also have to film another video that I think is going up on TikTok maybe next week, and I have to send that in for approval. So now I'm getting into like creation. Before I was just doing emails, doing some concept planning, and now we're just going to get into like full-on work mode. I just finished filming the voiceover and editing the video. I use CapCut on my phone. I have like so many different editing. I have so many different editing platforms that I use. I use CapCut, which is obviously just on my phone. I also use that on my iPad, and then on my computer I use Final Cut Pro. And now I have to send this in for approval, upload it to a Google Drive, and yeah, that's like another task off of my to-do list today so far.
Lady luck, ever since she started hating, I've been waking up too early. I miss how crazy hazes.
Time to film part 2. So I want to show you guys a new tripod that I got. So this is all for my content creators out there who is looking for, I don't know, new equipment. This is something that I just got literally yesterday. So this is the DJI. I'll put up on the screen the exact name. It's like the 6th one or something. It's so high tech, has all these little freaking buttons. It moves on its own. Like it's a really cool little gadget. So my boyfriend's gonna help me film right now. Let's get to filming the second video of the day. Wow guys, look at the freaking sky tonight. It's so freaking nice. Alright guys, it's a little bit later right now and I'm about to shoot inside a store. I don't do this all the time, but if part of like a campaign or any deliverables is to showcase the product in a store, then I think it's fun to like actually do that for the concept. So heading inside now, and I'm going to shoot really quickly to just add it into the video. Disregard my hair. It's so like oily, greasy. It's really bad. I'm actually doing it tomorrow. I thought I would continue the productive vlog into today. It's a new day, and I want to show you guys actually this new weighted blanket that I got that has been the best thing ever. It's from Udi. So it's a weighted blanket. It's 10 pounds, and I like this one because it doesn't like, it literally just feels like a regular blanket like on the outside. I've seen some designs where it just looks kind of like weird, the weighted blankets, honestly, and this one is so good. This is 10 pounds. It's like perfect for me. Honestly, I could have done 15. I think it's perfect, and I've been loving it. I'm somebody who has trouble sleeping at night, and this has been helping me. If you also struggle, get yourself a weighted blanket. I will link it below for you guys. Not sponsored or anything, I just wanted to show you guys that. In my last video, you guys saw like how I know the secret to waking up early to have a productive day, and I just posted like my getting out of a slump, my monthly reset. So I also want to share with you guys like how I set like boundaries and stuff. I really want to get better with finding balance, because a lot of the things that you can get overwhelmed with, like me personally getting overwhelmed, being burnt out and all that stuff, comes with like putting too much on your plate. So that's what I'm gonna also include in this vlog. What I like to do is, you guys know I love to-do lists, so I already have a to-do list set for today. Also, these pants from Princess Polly have to be like the most coziest pants ever. They're just like ribbed, like loose fitting. They've been in a haul before, but they're just literally so comfortable. So what I'm gonna do right now is just set intervals for myself, whatever is due, or like I have deadlines, and like make things that are priority a priority. We're gonna put intervals, put time blocking on my phone. I'm not gonna go on my phone. I'm just gonna focus on the task so I can just cross things off. A big part of it I feel like has just been getting so distracted with like scrolling on TikTok, and a lot of the time I scroll on TikTok to find ideas for like trends, videos I have to create, but then I can get so caught up and I just feel like it gets me into a negative space. Remember to take breaks too. I just got a package, so I just got up and stretched, got some more water, because that's another part of like setting the alarms and stuff. Just unboxing new phone cases, which you guys are gonna see in probably the next video, so I'm super excited about this actually. And now we're gonna get back to work. I have some other things that I need to post and get done. Make sure you stand up, stretch your legs. It's so bad to just be sitting for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours, so get up and stretch. Sorry for the terrible angle, but I want to show you guys also what I've been doing, because to balance out like me spending time with family or just like my time with like doing work and being on my phone, is scheduling downtime. So if you go to your settings on your iPhone, specifically if you have an iPhone, and go to screen time, you can do downtime and then schedule a time and customize your days as well. So you can put from like 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. and then you'll get a reminder. And then we can also do is do app limits. So if you spend too much time on TikTok like I do, constantly scrolling sometimes, you can set limits. So you could do however many minutes you want. You also can choose which apps, so they have like a whole list. So there you have it. This is another great tip. For now, I'm working on customizing my iPhone finally with the iOS 16 update. I'm literally so late to the game. I just showered and threw on my lounge pajama set, so comfortable. And I just went ahead and started importing footage from this vlog that you guys are currently watching into Final Cut Pro, so that when I edit tomorrow, it'll already be there. It's like one less thing that I have to worry about, which is another thing. I'm just trying to like make my life easier each day. It is now journaling time and unwinding. This is just like my me time. I know it seems early, but since I wake up early, it's important for me to get my rest, or else I really like literally overwork myself and just tire myself out to the max. Also, you guys, this candle that I just lit is my second replica Maison Margiela candle, and this is the By the Fireplace. It smells so good, especially for the fall winter. It's about to be November 1st, literally tomorrow. So for the perfect cozy vibes, this candle is it. Smells so good. I just made some green tea decaf. Perfect for my winding down time. Also, guys, just got It Starts With Us a week now ago, and I've been incorporating reading every night. I know the other book is taking me so long to finish, but I have to do this one first, because this is something that I've been saying that I need to read and I've been so excited for. So I will finish this and then get back to the other book. But definitely good to just have a set time for you at night where like you put away your phone, you get off your computer, you don't do schoolwork anymore, and you just like have a time for yourself. Play some relaxing music. It's definitely going to help you. It's definitely been helping me, and something that I look forward to every night. Alright guys, now it is time to sleep. I'm gonna use my weighted blanket and enjoy my sleep. I put my alarms on for tomorrow. Haven't been on my phone because of the downtime, which is just great. It's just a little like strict for me, which I like. So good night. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hope you guys found it motivating. Comment down below this emoji if you stayed to the end. Subscribe, comment, share my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video.